request as an immediate past president. Request. DBP coordinator வந்து business presentation பண்றீங்களா sir? No. I have family wedding. No. I have a client meeting. No. I am not prepared. No. I am scared of doing it. I have not done. Please give me some time. இதெல்லாம் தயவு செஞ்சு சொன்னாங்க. This is once in a year. ஒரு வாட்டி விட்டுட்டோம்னா you have to wait for 365 days to get the second opportunity. Please understand. Never say no to this opportunity. I would call this as a queen of opportunity in disguise. DBP. So please be prepared with the DBP. In fact, I would recommend MC mentor வந்து Sampath sir. நீங்க new member எடுக்கும் போதே let them start preparing. யாரா பண்ண முடியல substitute இல்ல let us be prepared and not say no. That's my humble request to the people. Well, கொஞ்சம் நம்ம சவுண்ட் போடணும் எங்க குரூப்ல எப்போ before your presentation. எதுக்கு? அப்பதான் கூட்டம் வரும். கூட்டம் சேர்ந்தாதான் எஜுகேட் பண்ண முடியும். டேபிள் சேர் துணிக்கலாம் we can't speak our business. We need people. Whose responsibility? Speaker's responsibility. Presenter's responsibility to bring in people. Not the head table. Not the DBP coordinator. That's none of his job. The presenter should take responsibility to have crowd and visitors in the room. எப்படி பண்றது? குரூப்ல போடலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் உங்களுடைய business profile போடலாம். Testimonials போடலாம். You can send the problem and solution statement, your success stories, your case studies, how you were. Create some curiosity in the group. Primary member first எல்லாரும் வரட்டும். 40 பேர் வர வைக்கணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் most important எந்த கேட்டகரியில விசிட்டர்ஸ் வந்தா எனக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். Fire and safety சேர்ந்திருக்கார். So அவருக்கு corporates will be a huge connect. We can ask in the group. Please bring purchase head or admin head from this corporate as visitors. கேட்டால் தான் கிடைக்கும். You have to ask. No choice. So please take responsibility on yourself. Don't blame the head table. Don't blame the coordinator. அவங்க வேலையே கிடையாது. It is your business. Better you take the responsibility to ensure full attendance as well as good number of visitors. Right. The most important is display table. Retail business இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு we have display table. You can bring your products. You can even bring your standees if you have. You can bring whatever you want from that can represent and educate the room on the business. You can get it and keep it here. So that is given for BBB4. So please use the opportunity. Now any DBP will have two components. One is content, two is delivery. Content. என்ன ஸ்லைட்ல இருக்கு அதுதான் content. Two is delivery. எப்படி பேச போறோம்? ரெண்டுமே இருக்கணும். ரெண்டுமே நல்லா இருக்கும். Content பிரமாதமா இருக்கு. Delivery போரா இருக்கணும். Delivery பிரமாதமா இருக்கு. Content சோசோவா இருக்கணும். Both have to be very good. Then your presentation has reached the audience. Certain things to remember. Vala 25 slides, 30 slides. No, please. Let's restrict to 8 to 10 slides. Always remember the magic word. Simple is powerful. Simple will reach people. Complicated stuff will not. Two, very important. Never ever use technical jargons in this. We have an auditor, we have a company secretary, we have people who are in finance. If you use the terms of finance in this, think of me. How will I understand? I cannot get connected. Please never use technical jargons in the presentation. And most important, make your brand visible. Logo, whatever you have. Ensure every slide has it so the brand image and the brand logo is seen. Most important in a slide. Please, எதுவுமே எடுத்துக்கலனாலும் இந்த ஒரு பாயிண்ட் எடுத்துட்டு போங்க. Keep less text. In fact, I am even okay no text. More pictures. Less text, more pictures. ஏன் தெரியுமா? நான் சின்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்றேன். பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா எழுதியிருக்கேன்ல, Calibri, bold, 40 size. Father and his son. நல்லா இருக்கா? எல்லாருக்கும் கண்ணு தெரியுதா? Father and his son. இதுல ஏதாவது எமோஷன் வருதா? Father and his son. Father, this is not my husband nor my father-in-law. Don't mistake me. It is just a picture that represents father and his son. நம்ம அப்பா ஞாபகம் வரலையா? நம்ம குழந்தை ஞாபகம் வரலையா? நம்மளுக்கு பூனல் போட்ட ஏதாவது ஃபங்க்ஷன்ல ஞாபகம். You get connected, dear people. If you put pictures, you get connected because we are humans. We are fully with emotions and energy. We are not figures and text and statistics and data. We are not. If somebody cries, you cry. If I smile, you smile. We are humans. We are just transferring energy to other people. So please put pictures and images that can connect. Very less text, which is mandatory. Yes, we need to. Keep it very limited. This is the most significant point. Main slides la idella irukkanum. Idukapra you can add introduction. Somebody is going to read. Adukapra edhukku introduction slide? Director business ku pova vendidane. Menakattu anga someone is reading an introduction like this. Again you are starting your introduction in the first slide. Why waste time? Every microsecond in DBP is important. Use it to educate the crowd about your business, not about you. You are already done with the introduction. Now the time is only for your business. So please keep the introduction very minimal. First slides will be your purpose. Again, red la potirukken. So purinjirukum. It should stimulate right brain. It should have an emotion in the purpose. It should never ever be, I want to become a millionaire. It is not at all a purpose. That is on the mari podinga your presentation is a flop first day solten. It should have a purpose. It should have an emotion. Maybe Shanti can say, I want to make India free of pain and disease and see smile in the people. Sridhar can say, I want to make weddings and experience in the minds of people. Whenever they think of the wedding, they should have a smile wherever they are. Subramani should feel, whenever see the photograph, they should smile, they should have tears. That is what is my purpose. Making money is not the purpose. It is the byproduct of the service and the value what you give to your client. It is not the purpose. So purposely ensure you have a beautiful emotion which is present. Next is your business, products, services, credentials. Ellame sollalam. Credentials ku USP ku enna vidyasam? Credentials is you have got a recognition, you have got some award, the number of years of experience. Then the credentials. USP is unique selling proposition. Why my Pearls Dentistry is different from others? How do I stand unique from others? That is USP. Rendu mix pani, you don't get confused. So please, that is one. Why to connect? Again, the USP comes, the emotion comes. Next, how to connect? Again, the emotion comes. With whom I can connect? See, this is a giver's forum. Kettinde irukkodadu. First kudukkanum. So whom I can connect? Again, I am telling you, kudukkanumradhukaga phone book la irukra contacts. Ivarukku na oru vaati phone pannirukken. Theri. ஒரு 50 கான்டாக்ட் போடக்கூடாது. That is not connection. You just know them. அவ்வளவுதான். That can't. Please, we are all matured individuals. We have a level of intelligence. Whom you have already developed a good relationship, who will trust if you speak. If I take Sunita, that person should trust me. Sandhya Kuti vandirkala, appo she is the best. And the level of trust relationship is your gifts. 5, 6, 7, more than enough. More than enough. Next, ask. What is my ask? Idili you shouldn't ask ekkachekkama. No. List it. Rendu verticala. List the verticals. Schools. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want this school, this principal, this madam, this correspondent. Name it. The fridge gate opens. Name it. The magic really unfolds. You will get connected. Very many schools, high net worth individuals, connect me with organizations, NGOs, corporates. Nothing is going to move. Nothing is going to move. Take it from me. So please ensure it is going to be like this, right? After being the content, the delivery. The first thing, don't show your back and read like this from the slide. This should never be done. I'm telling you, the slide is a piece of technology which is supporting you. You are the most important element, not the slide. You should transfer energy. You should become the embodiment of the message what you speak. You can't have a split. So you are important. So your eyes have to meet the people, not your back. I'm sorry for this. Your eyes have to meet the people. You can't see here and talk. No, that won't work. You have to meet their eyes. And you have to be straight. You can't slouch. You have to be straight. Keep your legs straight. Move your hands away from the body. Don't put inside your pockets. Why, Sandhya? We have evolved. The body will try to protect us by keeping our hands close to the vital organs. So, which means we are nervous, we are low confident. You keep your hands, show this side, not this side. Yes, Sandhya, this side is supposed to create a lot of energy. This side is supposed to create a lot of disconnection. Never show this side. Show this side. If you've seen the speakers, show like this. It is inclusive. It shows inclusivity. Come, let's learn. Come, let's grow. Show this slide. Don't keep it close. Don't put your hands. Don't fold it back. It shows the speaker is nervous. Audience or connection out. The purpose of a speaker to stand here is to connect with the audience, to throw information through your slides so that they see it inside. It is again an educating tool, it's not a selling tool. Don't sell your products. Please educate your product and services. So these are few things which I thought I should speak in front of you. Please practice your DBP twice, thrice, more than that also, and then come. Because the time is again 8 minutes. Ramesh will ring the bell. The rest of the story. So to conclude, we do KYTs not to impress the other person, to express to the other person. We do brief business presentations not to prove our business to the room, to improve your business to the room. DBP, don't just go through the DBP. Grow through your DBP with the help of the entire room. And thank you so much for the opportunity. Over to the question.